Hello everybody, welcome to another daily vlog. It's Sunday. Thank you so much to everyone's kind comments and well wishes and everything for me. Yes, I am poorly. I tried so much to dodge this tummy bug, sickness bug thing that's going around at the moment. I was doing so well, and then yeah, it kind of got me yesterday and I was just like keeled over. Thought I was okay today. Started to record the PO box video that went out yesterday. Well, because it's Monday for you guys now and it was Sunday yesterday. Anyhow, I thought I was okay, and then all of a sudden I'm just breaking out into sweats. That's what I've been doing for the majority of this morning, is just coming out with the unknown sweats right now. What makes it even worse is that video, you can see that I've got really wet hair, and I actually went into the shower and I was really lazy and I only dried like the top part of my hair and then tied my hair up, not thinking that it would look like that my neck is sweaty. And then nearer to the end of the vlog you could see like oh my gosh, I just felt so sweaty and horrible, and it does come up a little bit on the video. If you have noticed that, I'm okay, I'm fine, like mentally I'm okay. I'm just, my gut hurts. I'm just going through weird sweats at the moment, and my stomach really hurts. Like, it's just cramping and everything. So that's what's going on. So today's going to be quite an easy day today. I say easy. I've still got a lot of things to do. I'm on my way up north on Tuesday. Going to be leaving Dave for a few days, and then he's coming up to visit. He's coming up to join me on Friday. So I've got a lot of that to plan and organise. I've also got to sort out some of the meetup stuff. If you don't know, next Saturday, Blackpool, Stanley Park. All of that is all green light, all ready. I know it's a big park as well, so if you're wondering what the exact location is in that park, just make sure that you are following us on our social medias, you know, like Twitter and Instagram and Facebook, where like an hour before or a few hours before the actual meetup, we will be there setting a spot, and then we will actually say the exact location, sort of thing. So make sure that you're following us on our social media so you know the exact point. So yes, we've just done our PO box unboxing, which was amazing and it was lovely. It's just the most amazing thing, just like reading people's cards, letters, you know, where they're from and how they found us, and how they're how we've inspired them to go vlogging or even go on their own sort of fitness journey and stuff. And it's really lovely, and you know, you guys don't need to send us anything at all. And even reading every single one of your comments and your messages that you send to us via, you know, via our social medias, it's really touching. We try and reply back to every single person as possible. I do want to say we super apologise for the whole Facebook page. There's something that's happening where our page is a little bit bugged, so we can't seem to reply to people. Like, we will reply and it will send and then it will disappear. So we don't know what on earth is going on. So please bear with us. If you have tried to DM us through Facebook, and you've not heard anything from us, there is an automatic response that comes up on there. That just tells you, just comment on our other social medias and we'll try our best to reply back to you. But we really appreciate everybody's feedback and everything. And so if you've not seen the PO box unboxing, I will show you just a few little things of what we got sent to us. Look at all of this. I do apologise if you can hear the fan. It's warm, okay? So yeah, look at all of this that's been sent to us. Like, once again, thank you so much, and thank you for your drawings and everything. It just looks so incredibly amazing. And I just want to point out these. We got given this by Alexander, and oh my goodness, I'm going to have to try and find some more of these. These are actually from IKEA, and they're little corners, the little corner protectors to put on the edges of your tables, and it looks like a Mickey hand. And they look amazing. I'm gonna have to try and find some now. So if anybody's looking for any like little protectors for the corner protectors, yeah, head down to IKEA. That's amazing. It got some more pumpkin spice. There's also a pumpkin spice candle which I forgot to put in here, and I'm very excited to be reading these later on. These are the Cat's Tales Adventures of Romy and Remy from Derek, who sent them to us. Thank you so much, and he's actually signed them as well, which we are super grateful, and I can't wait to have a good read of them. In the PO box unboxing, we actually forgot to say where you can get these books. I'll leave, this is the website, and I'll leave that there for you to pause, screenshot, and to check it out. Random thing, I was changing my sheets the other day and I saw the directions to how to clean this mattress. The thing that gets me is, like, yes, you can't tumble dry. This symbol is don't tumble dry. Who has a tumble dryer big enough for a mattress? And who tries to iron the mattress? I'm a little bit confused. I mean, I know they're all crossed out, which means don't do it. But like, I'm just like, has someone actually tried to like wash and iron a mattress? I'm not too sure. It kind of made me think, I don't know what's going on here. This is our KrispySmore folder where we put in every note, postcard, letter, card, things like that. We put it all in here so that we keep your letters safe, and we'd look back on them as well, because we are really appreciative of everything. So yes, I've got Christmas cards in here. I've got letters as well. There are a few addresses on there which I don't really want to give out. So I'm now going to put all of these letters in now, so I can keep them safe. And while I'm organising the letters and stuff, I really want to start putting your work here. Yeah, so you guys that have been sending us great things like that, I want to start putting them on the walls. So you may not be able to see them when we actually record something, but they're going to be there. And I think that'll be lovely. So I need to kind of arrange this and sort it out, and also clean it because it's very dusty. I'm going to put you on here. There we go. Gosh, I'm sweating already again. See? Can't control this. Can't control the sweat at the moment. Right, I'm gonna go and clean. I'm gonna enjoy my back for a bit. I know a lot of you do wonder who Pat is. Pat could be anyone. Literally anyone. This was one of the spare name tags that they had in the Rose and Crown. If you forgot your name tag, you got given a random name and a random location. But yeah, we've got Pat, and we've got another one somewhere, but I don't think he's around. I don't know what I've done with him. So yeah, there we go. We forgot to actually hand it in, so Pat's always been up here. Also, if you're wondering where we got these floating boxes from, Amazon. Amazon. It's a good little website, isn't it? Okay, these little things, we are going to stick them with these Unibond No More nails. Do you know what's really interesting? I've put the G7X next to our Canon 700D, and I keep looking at the bigger camera instead of you. I'm like, wait, no, you. There we go. So I'm going to go and stick these up. Oh no, did that just go in the bin? I'm gonna have to pick up all the fluff off it now. It's on a Disney Run medical certificate. Careful! Okay, this might not be straight, okay? This wall is not straight, okay? The whole thing is not straight. In fact, our house, I don't think we actually have a straight wall. It's all very lumpy, bumpy, and everything like that, so here's hoping that this is all gonna work. Right, there we go. One down. Yay! If any of you have even noticed, all of this is not level. They're all weird. If you're wondering where we got these prints from, we got them from Disneyland Paris for like, I think they were they were like €1 or €2, I can't remember, but it was in the sale, like the first January sale that we've ever been to at Disneyland Paris. and we bought a ton of stuff. Shall I stick them there? DNS? Because we normally kind of stand there. Ah. Right, where shall I put him? I think I might put him over here. Yeah. I've lost another square and I can't find it. There's hardly anything on this floor and somehow I can't find it. I better sit on it in a bit. Watch it. I've put my rabbits up. Can't see them. Another little thing is my little robot. This robot is a couple of years old. It's quite a few years old. It's a cardboard robot, and we actually got it from my friend's wedding, and she used them as centerpieces. Her partner absolutely loves like Transformers and robots and things like that, and it's just so cute, so cute. And then they were like, "Do you want one?" And I went, "Yeah, because they're amazing." So he's gonna. He goes back up there. You can never see him. You can never see him, but you can only see his feet. But he's always there. Do you remember these from Vlogmas? I don't know what's going on with my foot. But there they are. Just off my little plaque. It's probably the only plaque that I'll ever get from YouTube. But it is a YouTube Spaces Build Your Own channel. We actually went on a boot camp. We got invited to go on a boot camp with Brummy Mummy of Two. And that's how we both met. And yeah, we had like it was like a 3-day sort of course sort of thing. It was really fun, very interesting. Met a lot of great people out there. Really fun. Apparently they don't do them anymore. So there you go. Something happened to the battery. Does anyone remember these things? It is a Dino Mates money jar. And it's called, this guy is called Stephanie Dactyl. Me. Go. Gotta put Pat back. We have to put Pat back. Where should Pat go? Where should you go? Put Pat up here. So if anyone ever wonders who Pat is, you know now. You know. You know. And when you know, you know. You know. I think I've pretty much cleaned it up. Got a few more of the little pictures that I just need to find and put up as well. But that's pretty much it. Like, I've tidied it, had a good clean. Feels nice. Feels good. I'm having one of my cold sweat moments, so I'm going to go and lie down for a bit. That was a lot of work for little old Paulie me today. I'm trying to make myself feel so sorry for myself. I'm okay. I'm absolutely fine. It's just hard. It's hard when you're ill and you got lots of things to do. Comment down below if you would like to see like an office tour, because this is actually my office. So if you ever would like to see an office tour, comment down below, and I'll make sure it's all clean and tidy for you guys to see. And if you're ever wondering what we do with all of the packaging that you guys send all of our awesome things in, I actually reuse them. So in the corner here I've got a lot of fold up cardboard and bubble wrap, and in here I've got some like jiffy bags, but they're absolutely fine, there's nothing wrong with them, so I will recycle them and reuse them. I like a bit of recycling, I do. And if something is still in good condition, why not?
One cup of tea for Steffi.
Hello everybody, I've just made a cup of tea for Steffi. I'm back from work. We are just catching up on the day, what we've been up to. But not long though, till Saturday, which is our Blackpool meetup. We're super excited to see everybody. We're going to be at Stanley Park, so if you guys want to make sure you're kept up to date of where we're going to be located, make sure to follow our Twitter our Facebook and Instagram, so you will be given the actual location when we actually arrive there. And yeah, we're super excited. I tell you, tomorrow I am super excited because I'm not going to tell you exactly what it is. I was walking home from the W and something caught my eye in a shop window. Literally, it must be like a radar in me, which I think Steph has like taught me, because Steffi has a Lion King radar that whenever she goes into any shops, like she knows when something's there. And this happened years ago when we were in St. Helens, and we were in a charity shop. Oh no, we were walking past a charity shop, like, and this charity shop was massive. I'm not even joking. And in the middle was like a stuffed lion, and you could probably just see the side of it, not even like the whole thing. Steph just stopped and went, "That's Lion King, that is." And I went, "No, it's not." We went in there, and it was an official Lion King merchandise thing. It was a puppet. I think it was like 1990s. Yeah, it was an old merchandise item. It was £4. It was like £4, and we didn't buy it, did we? Or did we buy it? Oh, we did buy it. Yes, sorry, we did buy it.
Of course we did.
Sorry. And today, it wasn't a Lion King radar that went off, but a radar went off, and I found something. I was messaging Steph on the way home from work. Way home from the W. Sorry, way home from the W. And I said I found something. Sent her pictures. And hopefully when we go tomorrow, because I've got the morning off tomorrow, we're going to try and nab it. Yeah. And if we do get this is like the greatest find. I think this is the greatest find I've been wanting to get for years.
The greatest find in a charity shop.
Ever. Like ever. The greatest charity shop thing to ever find. Yes, you are correct, Steph. You have to wait till Wednesday. Apologies that we're talking about it and you're like, just show us what it is. We haven't actually purchased this. This is the point when we get there and it's just sold. But with that being said, we're going to have to end today's daily vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I do apologise that it's very short and there's not much going on. But don't worry, these next upcoming few days, some stuff's going to be happening, hopefully.
You're going to see us getting out the house more, I promise you.
We'll be out the house more for you, 100% on that one. But, you know, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, again, you know what I'm going to say. Hit the like button. If you're new, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. We appreciate everyone who enjoys our videos. And we shall see you on the next one.
See you on tomorrow for a Disney related video.
Bye. Bye.